Percentage profit and loss. A car is bought for £12,000 and it's sold sometime later for £8,200. A loss has been made, so if we subtract the selling price from the buying price, we end up with the value £3,800. That's the loss in pounds. The percentage loss is the loss over the buying price times 100%. Now we know that the loss is 3,800. The buying price is the 12,000. Multiplied by 100%, and we can cancel out 2 zeros. We could also cancel out a 0 from the bottom and a 0 from the top here, and the answer is 31.7%. Example 2. A painting cost £25,000. It was sold sometime later for £27,000. So I hope you can see that a profit has been made on the transaction, and that profit is found by subtracting the lower value from the higher. A profit of £2,000. We want to calculate the percentage profit. The formula is profit divided by the buying price multiplied by 100%. So the profit is £2,000. The buying price is £25,000 multiplied by 100%. So I can cancel out 3 zeros from the top, 3 zeros from the bottom, and the answer is 8%. Example 3, a slightly different take on the profit and loss. So, a vase bought for £820, the owner wants to make a profit of 15%. What must the selling price be? Well, it's reasonably straightforward. What we want to do is to find 15% of £820. Now, we know that 10% is £82, and 5%, half of 10%, is £41. So 15% then is £123. To find the selling price, what we'll do is we'll add that £123 onto 820 to give us £943. That's how much the vase must be sold for to make a profit of 15%.